Food is more than just sustenance. It's an adventure, a journey, and a window into the heart of a culture. In this video, we're taking you on a mouth-watering tour of the world with 10 iconic dishes that every foodie must try at least once in their lifetime. From street food stalls to fine dining experiences, these are the bucket list foods you can't afford to miss. Let's dig in. We start our journey in Japan with sushi, the artful combination of vinegared rice, fresh fish, and delicate seaweed. Whether it's a hand-rolled temaki or a luxurious piece of otoro tuna, sushi showcases the elegance of Japanese cuisine. For the ultimate experience, visit Tokyo's Tsukiji market or treat yourself to omakase dining for sushi like no other. Next, we head to Naples, Italy, the birthplace of pizza. Neapolitan pizza is a masterpiece of simplicity, a thin, chewy crust, fresh tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, and a touch of basil, all cooked in a wood-fired oven. It's a slice of heaven and a must for any foodie exploring Italy. At number 8 is the flaky, buttery croissant from France. Perfectly golden and impossibly light, the croissant is a breakfast staple found in every Parisian bakery. Pair it with a café au lait, and you've got a classic French start to your day. Coming in at number 7 is butter chicken, a rich and creamy curry that's a staple of Indian cuisine. Originating in Delhi, this dish pairs tender chicken with a luscious tomato-based sauce, best enjoyed with a side of warm naan bread. The flavors are bold, comforting, and unforgettable. At number 6, we visit the bustling streets of Mexico for tacos al pastor. Thinly sliced pork, marinated in a blend of spices and pineapple juice, is cooked on a vertical spit and served with fresh tortillas, onions, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime. It's street food perfection. Next, we dive into the tangy, spicy, and aromatic world of tom yum soup from Thailand. Made with lemongrass, lime leaves, and fresh shrimp, this soup strikes the perfect balance of sour, spicy, and savory. It's a flavor explosion that every foodie needs to try. At number 4, we visit Greece for moussaka, a hearty dish made with layers of eggplant, minced meat, and bechamel sauce. Baked to golden perfection, this dish is a comforting taste of Mediterranean tradition, often enjoyed with a glass of local wine. Sliding into the third spot is baklava, a sweet and flaky dessert from Turkey, made with layers of phyllo pastry, crushed nuts, and drizzled with honey or syrup. Baklava is a decadent treat that's both rich and satisfying, a true symbol of Turkish hospitality. At number 2, we head to Peru for ceviche, a refreshing dish made with fresh fish marinated in lime juice, onions, and cilantro. This zesty dish is a staple of coastal Peru and a favorite for seafood lovers. Served with sweet potato or corn, it's a perfect blend of bold flavors and textures. And finally, at number 1, we have tagine from Morocco. This slow-cooked stew, named after the clay pot it's cooked in, is a flavorful combination of meats, vegetables, and aromatic spices like cinnamon, cumin, and saffron. Served with fluffy couscous, it's a culinary journey to North Africa you'll never forget. Food has the power to transport us, connect us, and leave a lasting impression. These 10 dishes are more than just meals. They're experiences that every foodie should have on their bucket list. Which one would you try first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious adventures around the world.